thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you want a stunning fresh front yard that turns heads without sucking up all your free time on the weekends, you're in the exact right place. A beautiful front garden doesn't mean you have to spend every Saturday weeding, pruning, and worrying about delicate plants. Today, we are sharing the absolute best low-maintenance shrubs that give your home instant curb appeal, while requiring almost zero effort to keep thriving year-round. Low-maintenance shrubs are hardy, adaptable plants specifically suited for front yard gardens because they require minimal watering, infrequent pruning, and possess strong natural resistance to common pests and harsh weather. Choosing these resilient varieties allows you to build a structured, permanent green foundation for your home's exterior without the constant upkeep demanded by high-maintenance flora. They save you time, effort, and money on fertilizers or frequent plant replacements, ensuring your landscape maintains a clean, designer-level look through every season with virtually no stress. Low-maintenance shrubs are perfect for planting in the front of your house. They are truly nature's gift to busy homeowners who don't want to skimp on their curb appeal. We're talking shrubs that can tolerate a little drought, aren't too picky about soil and sun conditions, and grow relatively slowly. With this in mind, we rallied up 15 low-maintenance shrubs that are all ideal candidates for your front yard garden beds. One. Hydrangea. Hydrangeas have a notoriously long bloom season, so they will add a beautiful pop of color to your lawn all summer long. Their exact hue can range from pink to blue depending on the pH of the soil. To add some texture to your lawn during the winter, you can opt to stop deadheading your bush in mid to late fall and keep a few spent blooms around. 2. Beautyberry. Fittingly named, beautyberry puts on a gorgeous show when its purple berries appear in the spring and summer. You can plant a few of these shrubs close to your house since they thrive in partial shade, but keep in mind you may need to trim them once they start to get too tall. 3. Japanese yew. Yew is another plant that isn't too picky about its growing conditions. You'll commonly see it planted around the foundation of homes, especially varieties that don't grow very tall. It's fairly low maintenance and only requires occasional watering and annual fertilizing. 4. Indian hawthorn. Indian hawthorn is another stunning low-maintenance shrub that blooms. It requires full sun, so consider planting it in an open area near a sidewalk or away from any trees. It's also a slow-growing shrub, which means you won't have to get out your shears too often. 5. Caper bush. Capers add a flavorful kick to dishes, while their blooms add a touch of beauty to a garden bed. This shrub needs a generous amount of sunlight, so just plant it in an appropriately lighted area, and you won't need to think twice about it. In fact, caper bushes prefer to be watered very sparingly. 6. Pinkberry. Pinkberry is, of course, known for its stunning pastel berries. However, its blue-green coin-shaped foliage is also a showstopper that looks great in cut arrangements. It's a pretty tough and durable shrub that can withstand chill temps. 7. Boxwood. Boxwood is a classic evergreen shrub that will keep your front garden beds looking lush, even in the dead of winter. This bushy shrub can take on pretty much any shape you want, from a hedge to a round topiary. They do well in both full sun and partial sun situations, so planting location shouldn't be an issue. 8. Weigela. Weigela produces beautiful pink blooms in late spring and early summer that attract butterflies and hummingbirds. This bush grows about 13 to 24 inches each year until it reaches full maturity, so plant it in an area where you won't mind the coverage. Otherwise, you will need to trim it fairly frequently. 9. Dwarf Alberta spruce. If you want to add a touch of evergreen to your front lawn but don't want anything that will grow too out of hand, the dwarf Alberta spruce is a great option. It only reaches about 13 feet tall. Plus, it makes for a great prop for a Christmas light display. 10. Azalea. Azaleas are such captivating plants that will draw the best kind of attention to your front lawn. You can select from pink, white, red, purple, and yellow to match your existing shrubs. If you live in a region that gets a generous amount of spring rainfall, you shouldn't have to water them to get blooms. 11. Inkberry holly. This slow-growing evergreen shrub couldn't be more easy to tend. If you want your inkberry holly plant to produce berries, you'll need to plant female shrubs next to at least one male shrub, which will act as a pollinator. 12. Juniper. Juniper plants are pretty self-sufficient evergreen shrubs that are drought-tolerant. You also don't need to worry about fertilizing it very often, and the only pruning it needs is the removal of dead foliage. 13. Viburnum. Viburnum is a popular landscaping shrub for front yards and backyards alike, and for good reason. It comes in a vast range of colors and isn't very particular about their growing conditions. If you want a slow-growing variety that requires less trimming, go with an option like spring bouquet, which only reaches about 3 to 5 feet tall. 14. English lavender. English lavender emits such a relaxing aroma, and you can harvest its blooms to dry. All those benefits aside, it makes for a great front yard shrub because it's drought-tolerant once it becomes established. 15. Miss Kim lilac. Lilac is another fragrant bloom that makes a great front yard addition. Once its blooming season wraps up in spring, its leafy shrub remains. The Miss Kim variety reaches a shorter mature height, so it requires less pruning. Creating a high-impact, low-stress landscape is all about choosing the right plants from the start. By incorporating these durable, easy-care shrubs into your front yard layout, you get to sit back and enjoy a pristine, vibrant garden every single day of the year without lifting a finger. If you love these hassle-free garden tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more brilliant exterior inspiration, and drop a comment below telling us which low-maintenance shrub you're planting next.